Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A51 versus the Oppo A9 2020. And the Oppo A9 2020 comes with a Snapdragon 665 chipset with 8 GB of RAM, while the A51 comes with Exynos 9611 chipset with 6 GB of RAM, and both phones comes with a quad cameras on the back, as guys you can see. So let's see how much is difference between the A9 2020 and the A51 in head-to-head speed test battle, and let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. Like always, let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And logo came up first again on the A51, and A51 is running on Android 10, while the Oppo A9 2020 is running on Android 9 Pie. We have a latest software version on the A51 right out the box, and let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. And both phones are is on the loading, and you can see Oppo A9 2020 is faster when it comes to booting up, and also Samsung Galaxy A51 is right behind, about 1 or 2 second difference there. So we have a full HD Super AMOLED display on the A51 versus a 720p IPS LCD display on the Oppo A9 2020. So let's see the app's opening speed, and everything is closed up in the background, and you can see. And the first application I'm going to open is the phone dialer. Here we go. Faster on the A9 followed by the A51. So next on the list is the settings, and you can see that was about the same on both phones, no difference there. So opening up the mic lock, same result. Opening up the calculator on both phones, and you can see that is faster on the A51 followed by the A9 2020, and some apps faster on the A9, some apps faster on the A51, not a huge difference there. Let's see, we have some more application in system based apps. My first, again that was exactly the same on both phones, and both phones are is on the same Wi-Fi network. So I'm gonna open the YouTube on both phones. Here we go. And faster on the A51, while the Oppo A9 2020 is very slow in the YouTube app. So launching some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga. Here we go, and let's see. And you can see Oppo A9 2020 is faster there, while the Samsung Galaxy A51 is right behind, about 1 second difference there. So next I'm gonna opening up the Subway Surfer on both phones. Here we go, and you can see faster on the A9 2020, and the Samsung Galaxy A51 is right behind there. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2. Here we go. And you can see Oppo A9 2020 is again faster there, while the Samsung Galaxy A51 is right behind there. Not a huge difference there, but still Oppo A9 2020 is faster there, and A51 is right behind. And last I'm going to launching the cameras on both phones. Here we go, and faster, and you can see that was about the same on both phones, no difference there. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using Samsung internet browser on the A51 versus a Google Chrome on the A9 2020. So first website we have is the wikipedia.org. Here we go, and same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and you can see that was about the same on both phones, no difference there. And scrolling is very smooth on both phones. Same thing with zooming in and out. Next on the list is the samsung.com, and let's see. And you can see Samsung Galaxy A51 is faster there, followed by the A9 2020. And again, scrolling is very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. I noticed some lags on the A9 2020 for because this website is loading new content every time. Now let's see the RAM measurement on both phones. We have 8 GB RAM versus a 6 GB RAM, and phone dialer, no refresh. Moving on. with the settings, my mistake. And that got refresh on the Oppo A9. My clock, no refresh. And let's see the calculator, again refresh on the A9. And I am indeed running on the latest version software on the A9 2020. Again refresh, and we have YouTube, no refresh. And I already opened the YouTube app before, as guys you know. Refresh, and Subway Surfer. Let's see the temper undo on both phones. Again refresh on the A9 2020. Let's see, and last we are back to the internet browser. Overall, I have to say that the app's opening speed is faster again on the Oppo A9 2020, while the A51 is exactly right behind to the Oppo A9 2020, about 1 second difference there in game app loading time. RAM management is very good on the A51, but many application is refreshed on the Oppo A9 2020. I hope the RAM management will improve with some software updates on the A9 2020, because this phone comes with 8 GB RAM. Thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A51 versus the Oppo A9 2020. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.